Okay, so these are the top 5 biggest crypto losses in 2022 of famous people. The first one is Tom Brady lost over $81 million. FTX, I think that's what that was. Cobra Tate lost over $20 million. Whew. Gary Vee lost over $6 million. Okay? And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel as well. KSI lost over $5 million. Justin Bieber, yes, Justin Bieber lost over $4 million, guys. And of course, Logan Paul. Now, Logan Paul lost money in NFTs. Well, the value of the NFT went down. But his fans lost $3 million. The fans, they even put fans in there, lost $3 million. So hopefully in 2023, these things gets better, because we definitely would like famous people to represent or at least be a part of crypto. This does need to change in the future. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain here, and I'll see you on the next video.